Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete a board in Jira. So first click on More and Dashboards. Now select View All Dashboards, and in your Dashboards view select the board that you want to delete. So in my case it is this default board. Just select these three dots next to it right here, and you should see deletion button. As you can see, if this default dashboard, I don't see it, but in this dashboard I can see move to trash. Why? No idea. Just Jira things. Move to trash. As you can see, this is how you delete it, but no idea why this one I cannot do this. Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.